Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And while that other video is loading that I just made about this, because I know somebody's going to ask if they wanted the original to look like that, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces showing. So we'll take away 4 of them. This is real easy. It's almost easier to make this thing and then take away 4 of them. So I would just take my 2-point line, and it's kind of misconceiving where you would start from, but I'm just going to go from that node to that node, kind of freehanding this. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to leave 4. So we'll take a node from here, or just a straight line. And you could take a little bit more time than I am, because I don't like the way that looks. You could maybe even go to that point, right there. But for the video, that's good enough just to show you what you could do. And then just take your virtual segment delete key. As long as you do not delete or touch the outside line, you're just deleting the interior lines. And basically, you already have it. You could do numerous of things here, but let's just delete the length of these extra lines. And really and truly, you need to delete that one and that one. And, well, we need to delete this whole thing. So we could have just deleted those lines that we drew in without too much trouble. And then just take your Smart Fill tool, and you've got that same pattern exactly. My angles might be a little bit different, but then since you Smart Filled it, you can just left click, right click, and now this will all be solid plywood, and it'll start that. I still do not know what this is. Maybe when the other video loads and the person that was looking for some help can give us some light on what this is. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.